Hi brewers, how's it going? 2 weeks today since I last brewed. It's been quite a break for me, but ready to brew again. And a couple of things, well, nice brew tomorrow I think it's going to be. It's going to be my house pale ale. It's a recipe of my first ever recipe that I've knocked up myself. And also, you see there, we're doing it with Voss Kveik yeast, so that's going to be a first for me as well. Hopefully should be grain to glass in about 10 days. So yeah, we're just getting the system ready. It's the day before the brew. Unusually I'm not going to be brewing 6 in the morning. It's going to be 10:30, 11, probably near to 12 when I start tomorrow. Various reasons, we've got to go and look at a couple of jobs to get a bit of work in. So yeah, I'll when this rolls over we'll be probably mashing in. Okay, see you soon. Hi brewers, slight change to plan. I'm going to do it this evening. It's Thursday evening, the 9th I think it is, July. Just fill that up. Everything was clean before, so just topping the system up. A couple of other things will come up for tomorrow, so bugger it, I'll do it tonight. So yeah, I will make another little segment when we get a bit further along the line. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just on the mashing. It's got a little bit of footage. No turning back. Oh, what a shit. Absolutely crap bit of camera work. Good grief. Oh, I am holding my phone, so there we are. Got to take it or leave it. Right, just going to give this a stir. Get back to you in a minute. Hi brewers, just started the mash. Literally a minute ago after a 20-minute mash rest. Mash rest, you say that after a coffee. Yeah, so there's the wort to start with. We'll come back to that 3/4 hour or so. That'll be like gin. So lever positions today, pretty much the same. I've got that around about the 20 past position. You can see nice flow throughput there. Levers how I normally have them at this stage of proceedings. So, you know, anyone new to the channel, I like to do a quick explanation of what I'm doing. The wort is coming out of there, through this pipe here, back into the kettle to do like a circuit basically. And then you can. Oh, it's not really going around very much, so I'll. That's it. Put the lever in about the 25 past the hour position. Ramp it up a little bit. Oh no, nothing coming out. There we go. So yeah, you can see now it's starting to spin round a little bit. Helps with keep the temperature nice and even. Yeah, that's kind of where we're up to. Pump level is quite high really, 77%. I'll see how that goes. Monitor the levels in the malt pipe and kettle, and I'll get back to you later. Cheers. Hey brewers, back again. Just a few minutes left of the mash in. It's the scene in the kettle, a little bit foamy, nothing much to worry about. Nice clear wort you can see there. Quite happy with that. Levels in the malt pipe, you can already see it is spinning round nice. It stayed really constant. Literally hasn't moved from that. There's probably 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches difference. Very happy with that, being quite honest. You can't see sod all in there. It's a dark dingy evening outside. So yeah, everything's going okay. Be boiling it up in the not too distant future, so I will get back to you shortly. Now brewers, just a quick one showing you the clarity of the wort. Just got a couple of minutes, 3.5 minutes left of 60-minute mash in, 10-minute mash out. So that's the kind of end result. Looking lovely. Cheers. Hey brewers, how's it going? Yeah, just 6 minutes left till the next addition going in. 16 minutes left in all. Got a couple of beers, very nice. Just starting to go dark. Just about making out. Yeah, everything going super smooth this evening. yeah, don't know what else to say really. Pre-boil, what's it called? Excuse me a moment. Pre-boil gravity, never remember that. That was, well, 10 should have been 1044, was actually 1045, so quite happy with that. Yeah, so we'll see where the next 20 minutes gets us. Nearly there now. Next time I take a vid, I'll do it at hop stand whirlpool. Cheers. Hi brewers, just a quick one because my battery's about to go. Just cooling it down. Hasn't taken long at all, to be quite honest. It's about 10:15 in the evening. Alarm will be coming on soon. I think it's going to come on when it's 30 degrees, telling me to chuck it in the fermenter. I'm doing this one with Kveik yeast, so I'll try and do another one on the wrap up. If not, I'll put all the figures and of tonight's episode in the wrap up at the end. Cheers. Hey brewers, morning after. Finished about 11 o'clock last night, absolutely knackered, didn't quite tidy up as I normally do. But yeah, come down this morning and this is the brew bubbling away. That's Kveik Voss for you. So there we go. Yeah, what's the temp there? I think you can see it's about 28. It's quite cool last night. My brew shed's not heated, so I've got the belt on it. I think I've got another one. Might put another one on then, so I can keep the temp about 30. So yeah, everything went okay. Got 23 litres exactly. Very hoppy. A lot of hops went in 5 minutes and 0 minutes at the whirlpool. So yeah, it all went pretty well really for the last minute chuck together. So right, there we are. Anyway, if you've watched to the end, thanks very much. I'll probably be brewing again in probably about another 2 weeks. Cheers.